So when the server leaves the table, let's say he's going to get the drinks ready or whatever, you're supposed to have a conversation with the people at the table. Okay? Each person in the group must have at least one question for other group members. Okay? So that means, just goes without saying, that should also include an answer to the question. So put here, right here, and an answer. I mean, it just kind of goes without saying. If you ask a question to someone, they should have an answer. Use the present tense. So you should have your tenses sheet out here in a minute. That sheet, todos los tiempos, with the endings on it and stuff. And like I'm going to explain in a minute, if you don't, you lose points. If I come out on your desk and I don't see your foods sheet out, I don't see your direct object pronouns sheets out, I don't see your endings sheets out, you lose points. Include 3 uses of direct or indirect object pronouns. So maybe the question, not maybe, I suggest the question should set up a situation like that. Okay? How? How are you going to do that? I would take a note on this. Like, okay, one of my questions is going to set up a situation where I would use a direct object pronoun. Like, here's the one example. Say, hey, do you know like a person or a thing, which would be a different verb for each one. Like, do you know the movie It? All right, that's not the best example. Do you know the movie Frozen? So then when the answer, the person would say, yes, I know it. There you go. You have one use of direct object pronoun. There you go. Or a person. Hey, do you know Tom Jones? Yeah, I know him.
I know Bob Jones, but not Tom Jones.
You know Bob Jones? I don't know Bob Jones.
Oh, you know Dwayne.
Okay, so that's one situation. Or you could say, look at your worksheets and stuff. Oh my gosh, is that really necessary? You can't tame that at all? Jeez, man. Okay, so what are some other situations you can set up to use a direct object pronoun? Like maybe the word me, or I don't know. Can you help me? Yeah, I can help you. I don't know. You guys got to figure it out on your own. Okay. You have enough worksheets and stuff we did with direct object pronouns where you should be able to figure it out. Maybe here's a good idea. Here, write this down. DOP2. That sheet's great. That should really give you some ideas for setting up a situation using direct object pronouns. All right, and then while the waiter is away and you are conversing with the people at your table, include other flow vocabulary stuff. Like, oh, cool, or, I mean, got to say some more stuff than just, do you know Tom Jones? Yes, I know him. Say, oh, he's nice, or something like that. Okay? He's a nice guy, something like that. All right, minus 1 point per missed present tense conjugation. So if you write, hey, do you know Tom Jones? And you wrote the word do you know wrong, then you lose a point. Direct object pronoun use, spelling, grammatical concept that we studied this year. The fact that you made the conversation interesting and that you didn't use the same questions per person. You got to have each person has to have a different question. Don't just go, hey, do you know Tom Jones? Yes, I know him. Next person goes, hey, do you know Lindsey Johnson? Yeah, I know her. Oh, okay. Hey, do you know Mark Cuban? Yeah, I know him. Yeah. So you got to have different questions. Okay? Not everybody can ask the same kind of question. Okay?